This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Update the Facebook app or browser and make sure your device has a stable connection. Once done, clear the cache or reload the page to remove temporary glitches. You should sign out and sign back in to refresh session data and scan for any account alerts that block display. Make sure you have basic permissions enabled for content and notifications so the home feed can load correctly and immediately show changes. Now dive into feed preferences. Prioritize friends and pages you want to see and unfollow sources that clutter your home page. Once adjusted, inspect blocked users, muted keywords, and ad settings because hidden or restricted content often causes missing posts. You should also switch between most recent and highlights to reset algorithm behavior. This forces Facebook to reevaluate what to show. After making changes, refresh the app or browser so the new preferences take effect immediately. Finish by isolating persistent problems. Disable browser extensions or open Facebook in incognito to rule out interference. If the layout remains broken, reinstall the app or clear advanced cache and site data to remove corrupted files. Once done, log in and verify the home page loads correctly. If it still fails, report the problem through Facebook's report tool and include screenshots. This helps support reproduce the issue and speeds up a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.